But let's tell you the big breaking news that's coming in on Rajasthan's Battle Royale. The Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has gone all out now to corner Sachin Pilot. The Ashok Gehlot clan now claims that 3 more MLAs have deserted Pilot and will join them by tomorrow morning. Remember, these MLAs are in a hotel at the moment in Manesar in Haryana. The Congress has also moved to disqualify the 18 rebel MLAs, including Pilot, from the assembly by sending him a sharp notice. The Rajasthan Assembly Speaker has issued this show cause notice to the rebel MLAs, asked them to reply by Friday. That's CP Joshi of the Congress. So clearly efforts on now to corner Sachin Pilot, it appears. Ashok Gehlot appears to have declared war on Mr. Pilot, who has been very, very silent. Let's go to our correspondent. Maushmi Singh is joining us and she's going to tell us what Sachin Pilot is up to. He's with his MLAs in Manesar, we are told, and Ankit Tyagi is joining us from Jaipur. But first to you, Maushmi, because we want to know what Sachin Pilot is up to. Ashok Gehlot has gone on the front foot. You interviewed him earlier today and he said that Sachin Pilot was conspiring with the BJP. How is Mr. Pilot planning to respond? He's been very silent. He cancelled his press conference today. What are Mr. Pilot's options now?
Seriously, Rajdeep, you know, Sachin Pilot has gone in a huddle. There were rumors that he would, in fact, he did say that he would do a presser today and brief the public about what his stance is. But right now, he's in the hotel, huddled with his MLAs, talking to them about the future course of action. Now, half of them don't want to switch through the BJP, and that option has been ruled out by Sachin Pilot himself. The other half are mulling over whether they should form their own party. But as speculations have it, that Sachin hoped that there will be almost more than 30 MLAs with him. Rooms in the hotel were booked to the tune of 40, but only about 15 to 18 MLAs have landed up. And then, as Ashok Gehlot has claimed, that many are in touch with the Ashok Gehlot camp. So Sachin Pilot is trying to tread very cautiously, and in the midst of all this, you have an olive branch that has been offered by the Congress party because of the close relations he shares with the Gandhi family. So that option is also there. But
olive branch, has Rahul Gandhi or anyone spoken to him?
Sachin Pilot, who made the first move.
No, when you say olive branch, has anyone spoken to him?
We have learned from our sources, Rajdeep, Rahul Gandhi in fact stepped in today, despite the fact that Sachin Pilot has said none of the Congress High Command has spoken to him. Rahul Gandhi stepped in today, I was told. You saw what Randeep Surjewala said in the afternoon, and that was at the behest of the Congress High Command. I'm told that Rahul Gandhi said that we should leave another one more offer to Sachin Pilot. We should leave the door open for him. This is a last-ditch attempt by the Congress party to get Sachin Pilot back in the fold. And somewhere the Congress leadership also feels, you have Priya Dutt, you have Jitin Prasad, you have all the other young firebrand or the young brigade, as you may call it. They are also not happy with the current situation. And Virappa Moily also saying that the situation was mishandled. So it's going on. The big question is on the Congress leadership and whether they're really going to do the quick fix measure or a more long-lasting solution to this menace.
Let me therefore then go to you, Ankit Tyagi. What is the Gehlot camp strategy? Is it to corner Sachin Pilot and force him out of the party? Are they willing for any reconciliation like Maushmi says the Congress leadership wants?
Rajdeep, just before you came to me, just before this show, we spoke to one of the MLAs who is inside, a close MLA to Ashok Gehlot. And they said that Mr. Gehlot changing his track completely and being so aggressive, you saw that in the statement that he made and also in the interview with Maushmi, that precisely is the reason is because they believe now the party leadership, the central high command would try and force Sachin Pilot on them. And their belief is that Mr. Pilot, who has now not only put the government in jeopardy, but has also embarrassed the Congress party in Rajasthan, they believe if he's now held back into the party, in few months they will be standing at the same situation with Mr. Pilot, possibly with from 18 to 22, then claiming 30 to 40 MLAs.
They want him expelled?
At this point of time, at least the Gehlot camp does not want. They want him to be out. They were waiting for 17. They want Mr. Pilot to be disqualified and then to be expelled for anti-party activities. That's very clear, and that is why Mr. Gehlot has been so aggressive. They also claim that there are 2 MLAs from the Pilot camp who by tomorrow will be making their way here.
Okay, so clearly the battle lines are drawn. Ashok Gehlot's camp seems to want to get Sachin Pilot disqualified as an MLA and possibly eventually expelled from the party for anti-party activities. So it's not clear what those anti-party activities at the moment are, since Mr. Pilot has stayed silent. Thank you both very much. Moshbi Singh, Ankit Tyagi joining me here.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.